Climate change imprint on a tectonically active landscape. Explore past climate variability and its effect on the landscape evolution. On a land shaped by fire and water, a journey of understanding begins. Here, in the heart of the Mediterranean, Earth's history is aged into the landscape, coasts and mountains. How was this environment formed? How does climate change leave its imprint on such a dynamically evolving landscape? The course Climate Change Imprint on a Tectonically Active Landscape took us to uncover the answer through an experience that combined science, exploration and cultures. We are a group of geomorphologists from different universities within the CIVIS Alliance, united by our enthusiasm and passion for geomorphology. Every year, we organize this blended intensive program with great care and dedication. Our greatest success lies in the way we share our knowledge with students, making sure that, by the end of the BIP, what we truly pass on is not just scientific understanding, but our genuine love for the subject. Naxos, an island with a rich geological and cultural history, provides the perfect setting for understanding the forces shaping our planet. Some key locations that we visited. Choklakas. This is a truly magnificent beach. What made it even more special was the opportunity to walk along a natural fault line. Here, we observed completely different types of rocks in direct contact, offering a vivid example of how tectonic activity reshaped the landscape. It was a unique opportunity to understand both the mechanism of faulting and their powerful impact on the Earth's surface. Plomata. Just like many areas close to a steep cliff, Plomata has witnessed many landslide and rockfall phenomena. Here, we got to see remnants of previous rockfall events, and we discuss on how these are affected by the rock composition, the morphology of the cliff, the earthquake activity, as well as climatic factors. Mikrivigla Coastal Lagoon. Coastal lagoons like Mikrivigla are highly sensitive to environmental and climatic change. Here we learn how to read their history in details, tracing back thousands of years. At this site, we explore the coastal landscape and discuss how it has evolved over time, through drilling and the analysis of core samples taken from the lagoon. We gain a clear picture of how the area looked as far back as 6,000 years ago. Pirgaki is a beach where impressive sand dunes stretch along the coast. We had the chance to observe them up close and explore the processes behind their formation. We also learned about dating methods and how to properly collect samples for analysis. In the area of Naxos, Salt Lake and Manto Islet, we observe how the coastal landscape has been shaped through time, mainly due to climatic changes. At the Salt Lake, we discussed how a coastal lagoon may evolve in the future as sea level rise. We also had the chance to explore two characteristic landforms: a tambelo, a narrow sand strip connecting the islet to the mainland, and beach rocks, which act like natural breakwaters and offer protection against wave erosion. These features led us to reflect on nature-based solutions for coastal resilience. Ano Kufonisi Island. We walk along the island's stunning coastline, observing signs of weathering and erosion, mostly driven by wave activity. More importantly, we gain a deeper understanding of how tectonics, climate, and marine processes interact to shape coastal landscape. It was a wonderful day filled with discussion on tectonic structures, folding, and surface processes, and along the way, we were lucky enough to be joined by dolphins. Guided by expert scientists, participants delve into the study of tectonic processes, climate variation, and their impact. Through data collection and analysis using modern scientific methods, they gain practical knowledge of documenting environmental change. Learning extended beyond the labs and the field. Participants had the opportunity to exchange knowledge and experiences with the local community, from traditional architecture to culinary habits. Every aspect of life here tell a story of human adaptation to the environment. Moreover, with participants coming from different countries, the project also fostered meaningful cultural exchange among us. This course was not just an educational program, it was an experience that connected the past with the present, science with daily life, knowledge with exploration. Participants not only learn how climate change leaves its mark on a tectonically active landscape, but also how they can contribute to a more sustainable approach to resource management. Are you ready to be part of this unique journey?